Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Septiandra Wina, student ID number 231-296, Civic Education Study Program. I will explain about the English article review. The first article, Valid Citizenship and Transformative Civic Education. Theme, Valid Citizenship. Research problem, conceptualizing valid citizenship and presenting a typology of valid citizenship recognized, participatory, and transformative, and describes the role of school in establishing valid citizenship and helping marginalized groups become effective and participatory citizens in multicultural nation-states. Research result, assimilationist conception of citizenship require individuals and groups to give up their first language and cultural to become recognized and participatory citizens in the civic community of the nation-states. Conclusion, after an extensive literature review of the citizenship identities of Muslim youth in the United States and the United Kingdom, Abu El-Hajj and Bonnet conclude that many Muslim youth see no conflict between their identity as Muslim and as Americans or Britons. A study by Gibson is consistent with the conclusion by Abu El-Hajj and Bonnet. Gibson found that strong group identity and national identity are compatible concepts. Suggestion. In this article, the author sought write down the objective of the research that has been carried out, so that the reader can know the purpose and objective of this research. The lack of the article. The weakness of this research is that the author does not explain directly what the purpose of this research is. The second article, Pancasila as Ideology and Characteristic Civic Education in Indonesia. Theme, Pancasila as Ideology. Research problem, the role of civic education in its era globalization is very necessary, given its very strategic position, especially for the formation of nation and character building. Research result, the result proved that civic education must be in accordance with Pancasila values in all aspects of citizenship learning. Therefore, Pancasila is a characteristic of the state of Indonesia as a philosophical system animating all the concept of the citizenship teachings and must be applied in the life of the nation states. Conclusion, civic education is a subject in charge of how to form a good citizen. Good citizens are citizens who are aware of their right and obligation. Suggestion, it would be nice if this article include an image or graphic presentation to make it easier to understand and interesting for readers. The lack of the article. In this article, the author only conveys the material based such that there is no presentation in the form of graphs, tables, or images in this journal. The third article, Civic Education through a Learning in Higher Education. Theme, a learning in higher education. Research problem describes the learning process of civic education in higher education through a learning. Collects students today are millennials generation or Y generation, who are very familiar with internet and use in technology. The development of technology provides a challenge for the education system. Research result. Based on the results, so civic education through a learning using Google Classroom has encouraged students to be able to critical thinking, creative, and innovative. Conclusion, in the current millennial era, technology is developing increasingly and advanced. Thus, the impact of the advancement of technology has an impact on the world of education, especially civic education. Suggestion, it is hoped that by using this learning media, students can apply innovative learning media when teaching civic in school. The lack of the article, incomplete regarding the discussion of the material, and the wording of this article is not neat. The fourth article, Curriculum and Civic Education Teaching in Indonesia. Theme, Curriculum Development. Research problem tries to explore the curriculum and civic education teaching in Indonesia. Research result. The findings show that more than half a century of education, even at all levels of education from elementary, secondary to higher education, still leaves the general and classical issues of low level of political literate. Moreover, to achieve the goal of creating intelligent and skilled Indonesian citizens. Conclusion. The scope of civic education covers all the program of the school. Civic education includes a range of teaching and learning activities that can foster better life and behavior in a democratic society. And in civic education include matters concerning the experience, the public interest, the personal and the objective requirement of living the states. Suggestion. It is better if the article is accompanied by a picture or graphic to make it more interesting. The length of the article. In this article, only material is presented, not accompanied by picture or graphic. And the last article, transformation of the value of religious character in civic education learning in elementary school. Theme. Transformation of the value of religious character. Research problem. Describe and find out how the phenomenon of the transformative of religious character values in civic learning. Research result. The result of this study found that the application of the value of the religious character of elementary school students in the city of Palembang, namely students can behave in tolerance, mutual respect between fellow courtesy to the teacher, and in learning activities in the classroom, students give greetings to teacher and other students. Conclusion. Based on the stage of the result of this research, the conclusion in this study are the transformation of religious values into character. Education can be defined as any effort that can be made to influence moral character. Suggestion. More discussion material should be conferred so that this journal has a more complete discussion. The lack of the article, the material presented is incomplete and alone. Okay, thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.